and dying in your beds many years from now.
Sorry, we got to hold. We got a plane. Hold for plane, please. All right, we'll take it again. We're good.
Would you be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance?
Mel, I'm sorry, guys. We got another plane. Sorry about that. It was a good take, too. It's going good, Mel. Hold. Oh, it's a slow one. All right, we're good to go again. Let's do
For
it.
one chance, just one chance, to come back here and tell our
Nope. 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 No.
We can go, hey, listen, we can do it. We can do it. You're just going to be coming in for ADR. You know, it's not going to be clean. I don't make the noise. I just record it.
We can do it, Mel. Do the horse. Let's go. Everybody go. We're good. We're good. Let's get it going.
that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom.
Guys, I'm sorry, Mel. I'm sorry. We got a helicopter. We gotta wait. That last take is not good. It's not good. Guys, stop. I didn't get any of it. Mel, you can't yell cut. He's on the horse.